In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Wix website with Google AdSense. So let's see how we can do it. Just go to Google AdSense website, and after that from the top, just click on Get Started. Now choose your Google account. Now at first we need to add our website URL here. After that we will set it to no, and then we need to choose our country. After that we need to accept the agreement and then click on Start using AdSense. I already have an AdSense account, so I will log into my AdSense account. Now from the left menu, I am going to click on Sites and then click on New Site. Now we need to paste our website URL here and then click on Save. And now we need to copy this code from here. So we are going to click on this copy button. After that, we will go back to our Wix website dashboard. And then from here, we are going to click on Settings. And under the advanced setting, we have an option for custom code. So we are going to select it. Now from the top, we are going to click on Add Custom Code. So we are going to give it a name. And after that, we need to paste our AdSense code here. And then click on Apply. Then we will go back to our Google AdSense account. Then click on this checkbox. I have placed the code and then click on Verify. So in this way, our website will be submitted for review. And if our website is eligible for monetization, our Google AdSense account will be approved and ads will start showing on our website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.